I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious cookies at home, step by step. First, let's gather our ingredients and equipment. You'll need all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, brown sugar, eggs, butter, vanilla extract, baking soda, and salt. Make sure your butter is softened to room temperature. This is crucial for a smooth dough. Also, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Now let's get to mixing. In a large bowl, cream together 1 cup of softened butter with 3/4 cup of granulated sugar and 3/4 cup of packed brown sugar. Beat this until light and fluffy, taking about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, beat in 2 large eggs, one at a time, followed by 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. In a separate bowl, whisk together 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. It's time to bring it all together. Slowly add the dry ingredient mixture to your wet ingredients, mixing on low speed until just combined. Be careful not to overmix, as this can lead to tough cookies. Once the dough is formed, gently fold in your desired mix-ins. About 1 1/2 cups of chocolate chips or chopped nuts work wonderfully. This step allows for great customization, so feel free to get creative with your additions. Almost there. Drop rounded tablespoons of your cookie dough onto ungreased baking sheets, leaving about 2 inches between each cookie. Bake them in your preheated oven for approximately 9 to 11 minutes, or until the edges are lightly golden brown. The centers might still look soft, but they will set as they cool. Let them cool on the baking sheet for about 2 minutes before transferring to a wire rack. Enjoy your homemade treats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.